Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Learner Classes.
Hi friends! We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we're looking at 3 expressions that learners use every single day, but often mix up.
That is right. Today we are talking about I am, I was, and I have been.
These 3 phrases look simple, but knowing exactly when to use each one makes a huge difference in how natural your English sounds.
And by the end of today, you will know the difference clearly and confidently.
We will look at what each one means, how to use it, where it appears in real conversations, and the common mistakes to avoid.
So let us start from the very beginning.
Let us talk about I am first.
I am is the present tense of the verb to be. It tells us about right now, this moment, the current situation.
When you say I am, you're describing something that is true at this moment.
I am tired. That means right now, at this moment, I feel tired.
I am a teacher. That means right now in my life, I work as a teacher.
I am at home. That means right now, my location is home.
So I am is always about the present, what is happening or true right now.
Use 1, describing how you feel right now. I am happy. I am nervous. I am hungry. I am confused. I am excited.
These are all feelings that exist right now, in this moment.
Use 2, describing what you are right now, your job, your role, your identity.
I am a student. I am a nurse. I am the manager. I am her brother.
Use 3, describing where you are right now. I am in the kitchen. I am at the office. I am on the bus.
Use 4, describing what you are doing right now, when combined with a verb ending in ing.
I am studying. I am working. I am watching a film.
So, anytime you want to talk about a current situation, a current feeling, a current location, or a current action, use I am.
Now, let's look at I was.
I was is the past tense of I am. It describes a situation, feeling, or state that existed in the past and is now finished.
The key word is finished. The situation is over. It no longer exists in the present.
I was tired. That means at some point in the past I was tired, but I'm not talking about right now.
I was a student. That means in the past I studied, but now that period is over.
I was at the market this morning. The morning is over. I'm no longer at the market.
So I was is for past states, past feelings, and past situations that have ended.
Use 1, describing how you felt at a specific time in the past.
I was so nervous before my interview. I was very happy when I heard the news. I was exhausted after the trip.
Use 2, describing who or what you were in the past.
I was a shy child. I was the class president in school. I was a completely different person 10 years ago.
Use 3, describing where you were at a past time.
I was in Paris last summer. I was at the hospital yesterday. I was at my friend's house when you called.
Use 4, describing what was happening at a specific moment in the past when combined with a verb ending in ing.
I was sleeping when the alarm went off. I was cooking when she arrived. I was reading when the power went out.
So anytime the situation is in the past and clearly finished, I was is the right choice.
Now, let's look at I have been.
This one is a little more complex, but we're going to make it very clear.
I have been is the present perfect form of the verb to be. It connects the past to the present.
There are 2 main ways I have been is used.
The first way is to talk about an experience in your life, something you experienced at some point without saying exactly when.
I have been to Japan. This means at some point in my life, I visited Japan. I'm not saying when, I'm just saying it's part of my experience.
I have been to a live concert before. At some point in my life, I attended one. Notice that with this use, you are not giving a specific time. You are just saying the experience exists in your life history.
The second way is to talk about a state or situation that started in the past and is still continuing now, or has just finished with an effect you can still feel.
I have been sick for 3 days. I got sick 3 days ago, and I'm still sick now. I have been waiting here for an hour. I started waiting an hour ago, and I'm still waiting. I have been working on this project all week. I started the project earlier this week, and the work is still happening or just finished.
So I have been bridges the past and the present. It says something started before now and is either still happening or has just stopped with an effect on the present. Let us now put all three side by side so the difference becomes crystal clear.
Imagine you are talking about the city of London.
I am in London. Right now, at this moment, my location is London.
I was in London last year. In the past, at a specific time, I was there. I am not there now.
I have been to London. At some point in my life, I visited London. I'm sharing the experience.
Same city, 3 different sentences, 3 completely different meanings.
Let us try another example with feeling ill.
I am ill. Right now, I feel ill.
I was ill last week. Last week, I was ill. I'm better now. That situation is finished.
I have been ill for a week. I became ill a week ago, and I'm still ill now.
Do you see how I have been ill for a week says the illness is still ongoing? That's the present perfect connecting past to present.
One more example, this time about being a teacher.
I am a teacher. Right now, this is my job.
I was a teacher for 10 years. In the past, for a specific period, I worked as a teacher. I no longer do.
I have been a teacher since 2015. I became a teacher in 2015, and I'm still a teacher now.
That last one is very important. I have been plus since, or for, tells us the situation started in the past and is still true today.
I have been here since 9 o'clock. I arrived at 9, and I'm still here.
I have been married for 6 years. We got married 6 years ago, and we are still married.
I have been learning English for 2 years. I started 2 years ago, and I'm still learning.
These are beautiful, natural sentences that immediately sound more fluent when you use them correctly.
Now let's look at the key words and time expressions that go with each form.
With I am, you often use right now, at the moment, today, currently, these days.
I am really busy right now. I am currently working on something important. I am feeling much better today.
With I was, you often use yesterday, last week, last year, ago, at that time, when I was young, back then, in 2019.
I was very nervous yesterday. I was much quieter when I was young. I was in a different job 2 years ago.
With I have been, you often use for, since, lately, recently, ever, never, all week, all day, so far.
I have been very busy lately. I have been here since morning. I have been feeling unwell for a few days. I have never been to Australia. Memorize those time words. They are huge clues that tell you which form to use.
Now let us look at a short, natural conversation using all 3 forms.
How are you feeling today? You look a little tired.
I am fine, thank you, but yes, I am quite tired. I have been working long hours this week.
Oh no. Have you been sleeping properly?
Not really. I was up until midnight last night finishing a report.
That sounds exhausting. Were you like this last week too?
Last week was worse, actually. I was really stressed. I have been trying to manage my time better, but it is not easy.
I understand. I was in the same situation last month. It's tough.
How did you get through it?
I just took things one day at a time. And now I'm much more relaxed. I have been taking short breaks during the day, and it really helps.
That is a good idea. I'm going to try that.
Did you notice all three forms working naturally throughout that conversation?
I am fine. Current state.
I am tired. Current feeling.
I have been working long hours this week. Started earlier this week, still ongoing.
I was up until midnight last night. Finished. Past event.
I was really stressed. Past feeling, now finished.
I have been trying to manage my time better. Ongoing effort that started in the past and continues now.
I was in the same situation last month. Past situation, now over.
I am much more relaxed now. Current state. Right now.
I have been taking short breaks. Started recently, still doing it now.
All three forms in one natural conversation, flowing perfectly.
Now let us look at common mistakes learners make with these three forms.
Mistake 1. Using I am for a finished past situation.
Incorrect. I am tired yesterday.
Correct. I was tired yesterday.
Yesterday is a past time word. It needs was, not am.
Incorrect. I am in Paris last summer.
Correct. I was in Paris last summer.
Anytime you use a past time word like yesterday, last week, or ago, use was, not am.
Mistake 2. Using I was for something that is still continuing now.
Incorrect. I was living here for 5 years, when you still live there.
Correct. I have been living here for 5 years.
I was living here suggests you no longer live there. If you still do, you need I have been.
Incorrect. I was waiting for an hour when you are still waiting.
Correct. I have been waiting for an hour.
Mistake 3. Using I have been with a specific past time.
This is one of the most common grammar mistakes.
Incorrect. I have been to Rome last year.
Correct. I went to Rome last year.
Incorrect. I have been sick yesterday.
Correct. I was sick yesterday.
I have been does not work with specific past times like last year, yesterday, or in 2020.
As soon as you mention a specific time in the past, use I was or simple past.
Mistake 4. Forgetting to use I have been with for and since when the situation is still ongoing.
Incorrect. I am working here since 2018, when you are still working there.
Correct. I have been working here since 2018.
Incorrect. I am studying English for 3 years, when you are still studying.
Correct. I have been studying English for 3 years.
The combination of for or since with a continuing situation always needs I have been.
Mistake 5. Using I have been for a general fact or permanent truth.
Incorrect. I have been a human being.
Correct. I am a human being.
Incorrect. I have been from Italy, when talking about where you are from as a permanent fact.
Correct. I am from Italy.
I have been is for a situation that started at some point. Permanent facts and general truths use I am.
Now let us do a quick practice.
We'll give you a sentence starter and think about which form fits best.
Right now this needs am. Right now I am very focused.
When I was a child, this needs was. When I was a child, I was very shy.
I here since this morning. This needs have been. I have been here since this morning.
Last night, this needs was. Last night, I was exhausted.
I learning English for 2 years. This needs have been. I have been learning English for 2 years.
At this moment, this needs am. At this moment, I am listening carefully.
Can you see how the time words guide you to the right choice every time?
Right now, at the moment, currently, use am.
Yesterday, last week, ago, when I was young, use was.
For and since, lately, recently, all week, use have been.
Let's do a final review.
I am is for the present, what is true or happening right now, today, in this moment.
I was is for the past, a feeling, state, or situation that existed before and is now finished.
I have been connects the past to the present, an experience in your life history or a situation that started in the past and is still ongoing or has just ended.
Key time words. I am goes with now and currently. Was goes with yesterday and ago. Have been goes with for and since.
Never use have been with specific past times, like yesterday or last year.
Always use have been instead of was when the situation is still continuing and you use for or since.
These three forms appear in almost every English conversation.
Mastering them will immediately make your speaking sound more natural, more accurate, and more confident.
Thank you so much for watching English Learner classes today.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Learner classes for more easy and practical English lessons.
Keep learning, keep improving, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!
Bye.